These are possible questions with their answer for the topic, being a student. Question 1. What's the most enjoyable part of being a student? Answer. The most enjoyable part is to learn new things without worrying about earning money. One more thing is that students can always have more chances to tap their potential to achieve their dreams. Question 2. Do you enjoy studying your subject? What's the most enjoyable thing about it? Answer. I do. I think the most enjoyable thing is that I can connect all the things I study with my future career. I think the preparation process is enjoyable. In a class, who do you think is more important, the students or the teacher? They are both important. I think when students really want to learn, they can achieve their goals more easily. And of course, good teachers can make students learn more effectively. Question 3. In your class, who do you think is more important, the students or the teacher? They are both important. I think when students really want to learn, they can achieve their goals easier. And of course, good teachers can make students learn more effectively. Question 4. How should teachers teach? Answer. I believe teachers should apply fun and interesting methods to their teaching. Students can learn better when they're not conscious that they're actually studying. If a teacher can achieve this, I'll say he or she is successful. Question 5. Will children tell their parents when they face difficulties in their studies? Answer. It depends. For some children, they like sharing their feelings with their parents. They'll let their parents know what they're encountering. However, for a lot of teenagers, they feel telling their parents their troubles and difficulties might make parents look down on them, so they'll tend to keep all the problems to themselves. Question 6. Do you think it's good for teachers to praise the students when they do something good and point it out when they do something wrong? Answer. I think it's the right way to do things. However, teachers shouldn't praise the same student too much because they might get too proud of themselves and may not be able to keep doing what is good. Also, besides criticism, teachers should also encourage the students who do something wrong to help them to be better in the future.